Both Mailblaze and Flodesk are strong contenders in the email marketing world, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's break down their features, pricing, and what makes them tick to help you decide which is best for you. Mailblaze focuses on core email marketing functionalities like list building, email creation with drag-and-drop builder, automation workflows, and analytics. It might also offer landing page creation and integrations with other marketing tools. Flodesk, known for its beautiful design capabilities, it offers a drag-and-drop builder specifically designed for email and landing pages, with a strong focus on aesthetics. Automation features might be more basic compared to Mailblaze. Mailblaze pricing structures can vary, but often based on number of subscribers. Some plans might offer a free tier or pay-as-you-go options. Flodesk offers a flat monthly fee with unlimited emails, making it cost-effective for high-volume emailers. If you prioritize ease of use and a straightforward approach to email marketing, Mailblaze might be a good fit. What I really like about Mailblaze is that it has a very intuitive user interface and affordable prices, which makes it perfect for beginners. Flodesk could be the better choice if creating beautiful emails and landing pages is crucial for your brand identity. Mailblaze might be the more cost-effective option, especially if design isn't your top priority. Consider factors like advanced automation needs and integrations with existing marketing tools. Both Mailblaze and Flodesk might offer plans suitable for high-volume email sending. Click the link in the description to try Mailblaze for free, and use the Flodesk link to get a 50% discount for an entire year.